Hello, everyone. Welcome to Scene on Your Screen, a weekly update of programming from the International Festival of Arts and Ideas. I'm Bobby Asher. Coming up this week, we have a bike tour and walking tour of the Grove Street Cemetery, a live storytelling event with 3 New Haven storytellers and a local musician. And we also have 3 food events: Brews and Barbecue with the Stack and Black Hog Brewing on Friday, a Mother's Day brunch with ingredients and instruction from Tavern on State this Sunday, and cocktails and food pairings, sweet and savory, with Ordinary and Roya coming up on May the 15th. We're also incredibly excited to announce our Ideas programming for the year on the theme of democracy. The first in the series will be on May the 13th, a conversation with the poet and author Stephanie Burt, who is also our NEA Big Read Project author for this year. Here to talk about the NEA Big Read Project is one of our partners and great New Havener, Patrick Dunn, Executive Director of the New Haven Pride Center. Hello, Patrick.
Hello, everyone from the New Haven Pride Center Art Gallery. I am super excited about this year's Big Read and to be exploring queer storytelling through the lens of a trans poet. Pretty awesome opportunity. We are kicking off the Big Read with 2 amazing programs. The first is in partnership with our friends at The Word, which is a youth-focused writing workshop where we're going to be kind of fostering the future poets of our community. And that will conclude with a awesome showcase with some local spoken word queer artists as well. We're also going to be challenging our trans and gender diverse community of artists to take on the poetry of Stephanie Burt and create visual art pieces inspired by her work, which will open up on Monday, May 18th with a virtual art opening, which is going to be a first for a lot of us.
Thanks, Patrick. Also coming up, Arts on Call, which we talked about last week. Starting on Monday of next week, go to our website, book a participating New Haven artist to come and perform a 15-minute set, either outside your residence or at a location of your choosing. For details on this program and all the others and more, please visit our website, www.artidea.org. Patrick, stay safe. See you soon.
You too.